Aurelia, Year 10, Semester 1, Melodic Dictation, Level 6. Actually, sorry, before we go on, this will be the last topic then that I cover, because don't forget, anything that's in grey like this one, sight singing, will not actually be tested in your exam. Okay, so Melodic Dictation, Level 6. You get a 2-bar melody in a major or minor key up to 2 sharps or 2 flats, containing scale degrees -7 to +1. The maximum interval of a major third. The melodies will be in 3/4 or 4/4 time with durations of rhythm level 3, and an answer will be entered into treble or bass clef. Oh, treble or bass clef. First note is displayed and students will be able to hear their answer before submitting it. So you're doing something like this, minor key. Wow, that's a tricky one. So when something like something like that, let's have a listen to it. So this is hard. You've got to get all the rhythm right as well. I'm just going to start off a little bit. Now you're going to think I'm a bit crazy because I'm adding a sharp to that note. So I also need it to be a crotchet. You can use a keyboard. That was the last little bit. Okay, so in this piece of music, you've got to think to yourself, when it started, it played you a chord. That chord, did it sound major or minor? It sounded major. Oh, sorry, sounded minor. What is this key signature then for a minor key? 2 sharps is B minor. That's the kind of information you need to know. That'll help you with things like this. Look, it finishes on a B. Then you need to think to yourself, well, the B minor scale. If I do the harmonic minor version, which has got that Egyptian thing at the top, what do I do to the 7th note? I need to raise the 7th note. What is the 7th note in the B minor scale? It's the A, which gets raised from a normal A to an A sharp. Okay, and that's all of that kind of information is what you need to be thinking about when you do this. Play my answer. Okay, and if you are competent on keyboard, you can play along, with it while it's playing back the answer. Okay, let's try another one. Major key. All right. So straight away, I'm thinking of the notes from the major key, which has 2 flats. The major key which has 2 flats is B flat major. Starts on the, if that's B flat, C, D, E flat, F. Starts on the 5th note of the scale. Let's have another listen to the question. Okay, so you can take your time to work it out like that. Okay, tricky thing then rhythmic-wise is that it's got one of those. And it's got another one. These are not easy. Sounds pretty good. One more. Minor key, 2 flat. Okay, so that's a nice good one. And then it had something like that at the end. It's in a minor key, so straight away I'm thinking of G minor because of our 2 flats. So our notes in the G minor scale: G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, raised 7th, F sharp, and a G. Alright, let's have another listen. I'll work on the ending first. Alright. Now, was that a crotchet there? I think it might have been a crotchet. E flat. I think that's how it goes. Oops. Oh, that shouldn't be a sharp. Let's change that just to a normal G. This doesn't have a sharp sign marked in front of it, this one, but that's because this accidental here carries through to here. I did actually put it in as an F sharp. Okay, so let's play my answer. Now I'm going to play along with their performance. Okay, so you can see that that's pretty hard. Not only was it hard to work out the entire rhythm, but it was also hard to work out all the individual notes. You have to be switched on about the chord they play at the start. If it's a major or minor key, how does that relate to the key signature? So you know what key you're in. Then you need to remember about things like raised sevenths, so that you're working in the key of the harmonic minor. And then you're ready to put your answer in. Alright, that one probably will require a lot of practice.